Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Tailwind UI for premium landing page UI building, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Look for the Get Started button on the home page. Click on it to navigate to the subscription options. You will see different pricing tiers available. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Once you've selected a plan, click the Buy Now button. You will be redirected to a sign up page. Fill in your email address and create a password. Ensure your password meets the security requirements. After filling in the details, click on the Create Account button. Next, you will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details as required. Review the billing information to ensure accuracy. Check the box to agree to the terms of service. You will receive a confirmation email once the subscription is successful. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Log in using the credentials you just created. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here you will find all available components and resources. Begin exploring the various landing page UI kits provided. Select the components you wish to use for your project. Download or copy the code snippets as needed. Start building your premium landing page with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.